Hello everybody. Now then, today I've been up Aldi's. Well, I went up there 2 days ago and I got these lamb leg steaks, £4.19 from Aldi. I've never actually had a lamb steak. I've had beef steak and I've had lamb loads of times, but not a lamb steak. So and I've never really cooked one. I presume it's similar to beef. Beef steak. So let's get over the side, we'll open it up, we'll have a look and see what they're like. Okay, so there we go, new season, British lamb leg steaks. Naturally tender, boneless steaks. Reared on trusted British farms for high welfare standards. I'm going to do mine on my pan. It says there on the grill, but mine's going to go on the pan. Did it say grill or pan? I ain't got my reading glasses on, I can't see. Mine's going on the pan anyway, same as you do a steak. Yeah, so first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to get it open. It probably says on there actually, doesn't it? Shallow fry, yeah, shallow fry. That's what I'm going to do mine. That's how I'm going to do it. I'm going to get them open, I'm going to pass them all dry first, and I want to leave them room temperature for about 15-20 minutes. They've only just come out of the fridge, so... Oh, that one looks a lot bigger than that one. Oh, look at that. What's that? Oh no. There it is with there, look. So there they are anyway. Well, that's a bit of a shame, there's in two little bits, but never mind. Gonna give them a pat dry then on both sides. Say lamb is expensive, isn't it? It's very expensive. That's what we don't have lamb very often. Once in a blue moon, I should say. But so I've never had a lamb steak. Looks a bit fatty. Now I'm going to leave them for like 20 minutes. Right, while that's sitting there, you can probably see it in the corner there. Sitting for 20 minutes. I wasn't going to do this one on video, but I thought I might as well. I got these for the lad. Chicken strips from Aldi. I think it was $3.39 if I can remember. I've never actually had these ones before, but we're going to do them in the air fryer. You can probably hear it in the background. So I'm just going to add these in and let you know what they're like. There they are. There's all the nutrition on them. If I can see it, there you go. Yeah, he's going to have them on a burger, on a bun. So we'll open them up and I'll get a couple of them in the air fryer for him. And the thing I find with them Aldi steaks, I stopped buying Aldi steaks because they're literally full of fat, and I'd had enough of buying them. Oh, look at these, because I was of them. A massive end of them. Size of that one. Okay. So we'll get, air fryer's just warmed up now, so I'll get some of them in the air fryer anyway. This is just a little bit of an extra thing. Okay, there's them chickens, look. They look lovely, don't they? It took 12 minutes in the air fryer, that's all they took. They look really nice. I'm going to try one in a second. They're hot though. Let's get a couple of these on a bun for our lad. Look at the size of them. Mini fish, ain't they? Nat just says they're not fish, they're chicken. And she's right. Me and my words. Anyway, let's have a look at go at this before I do the steak. They're quite nice. I put a bit of salt on, I don't know if I showed you. They are quite nice, them, actually. You had a little dipping sauce with that, you'd be bang on, honestly. Yeah, they're quite nice. Right, onto the steak. Okay, they should be about room temperature now. I'm going to get a bit of salt on them first. I'm just using table salt. It's all I've got. Yeah, you can see all the fattiness in them, look. That's why I stopped buying all these steaks from Aldi. Yeah. But we'll see what these lamb come out like, eh? Nice bit of salt on there. Get it all massaged in. I've got the pan heating up already. Look, I mean, look at that one. It's not very good, is it, look? Just wash my hands, a little bit of oil. Just a little bit. Oil the steak, not the pan. Yeah, I don't think these are going to be very good. I don't think these are going to be very good. But hey, you don't know until you try, do you? You don't know until you try. I'm just getting my pan smoking. Get your pan nice and hot. It's just starting to smoke now. Leave it another couple of seconds. And we're going to get them in, I don't know, maybe 5 minutes each side or something. And then we'll have a look. I've got a bit of butter to get it a little base towards the end. If it's worth doing, but I'll stay to these. Get them in there. Now don't touch them for 4 or 5 minutes. Okay, it's been about 4 minutes now. I'm going to have a quick look because it looks like they're done at the edge. Well, this one does anyway. Oh yeah, that one does. Now this one, yes. And the little one, yes. I'll give him a couple more minutes that side. Turn it down a little bit now. And then we'll get a little bit of another butter in there. Just some unsalted butter, that's all I've got. Nice bit of butter in there and we'll give it a baste. Then obviously you've got to let it rest. I mean, it don't look too bad, but it's all in the whether it's fatty, innit? That's the point, innit? I know what you're all saying, rosemary. No, we don't like it. We don't like rosemary, so we're not having it. I'm just having the steak. Should be about done now, check. Nearly. Okay, it's time to get them out now and we'll give them a rest. There they are. Yeah. There's one. Looking nice, look at them. Talking about the sizes, ain't it, look. Right, we'll give them a rest for a little bit and then we'll dish up. Okay, they've been resting. There they are. I've done some salad. Well, I just bought that packet stuff, 75p I think, or 79p. Done a couple of them. Now let's chop some of this up then and have a look, eh? Not bad, not bad. A bit overdone for my liking, but more like Nat's liking. This one might be a bit better. We'll have a look. Cuts it into nice little chunks like that. Yeah, a little bit overdone for me, just a little bit. I prefer a bit pinker and a bit more bloody, but that's perfect for Nat. So that's good. I'm happy with that. Yeah, they don't look bad. They don't look bad. That's fatty there. Very fatty, but that's the fat, isn't it, look? Yeah, look after it's fat on this one. It's all fat there. So you don't get a lot really, do you? Anyway, let's get it on the plates and we will have a look. Pile some on the middle. Get it in the middle. So £4.19 there was. If I told you, I can't remember if I did. I think I did. So first impressions, it looks a bit better than the beef steak. I don't know what it tastes like yet, obviously. Because the beef, we stopped buying it, didn't we, Bab? Because it's really,
nice,
chewy and gritty and grizzle and everything, weren't it? So
you don't have to choose something, and then you're scared to swallow.
Yeah.
Because you're scared you're going to choke.
Yeah, so we stopped buying it altogether. But I thought I'd seen these and I thought I'd try them. Let me show you. A few old chips on there and all. Put them in the air fryer. There's the pinkness of mine. Which I could have done a little bit more pink, just a little bit. But it's about perfect for Nat, isn't it?
Yeah.
You've had some, Nat's had some of that drizzle on hers because she loves that stuff, doesn't you?
That's just heaven.
And we've both got bad heartburn, haven't we?
Yeah.
That thing, that live stream. God. Yeah. Both had mad heartburn. Well, let's try this steak. You've got loads of fatty bits on yours.
Okay.
Nice. Is it chewy?
No. I wouldn't say it's chewy, no. Nice. I like that.
It's salted bang on, isn't it? Salted properly.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
I find it a little bit chewy.
Heaven.
See, and you couldn't really, I mean, if you look at that there, you couldn't really cook it anymore. I mean, you could, I suppose. But, you're just going too dry in it. And I still find it a little bit chewy. It's not as bad as the beef steak. But,
I've got some meat, it's nice.
eh? It's still got gristle.
Yeah, it has got gristle.
It's got gristle, hasn't it, still? But you want all that fat, don't you? To get into the flavour. Because you don't want to chop all that fat. If you chop all that fat off there, you'll end up with nothing, ain't you? So, yeah. I prefer to probably go to butcher's or something and get one. Properly. You could probably bash it down and tenderise it all up. But it tastes nice, does it taste okay, doesn't it? It tastes nice. Just that chewy bit for me. But never mind, eh? As I say, something simple. We're not feeling the best. We've been pushing our teeth, mouthwash, chewing gums, and we can't get rid of that taste, can we?
No. evil heartburn.
Evil heartburn, isn't it?
Real bad.
So yeah, so there we go. Would I buy that again for £4.20? I don't think I would. No. Would you? I'd prefer to go to butcher's and pay the extra and have a proper piece. What do you reckon?
I don't know, because I love meat, so I don't know. I'm not sure. I think it tastes really nice.
Yeah, oh, it does taste nice.
I can't really say if I'd buy it again, because I just love it.
Well, no, I probably would buy it again.
This is delicious.
I don't know if I would or not. Yeah, I don't know. If you want something cheap and cheerful, yeah. I mean, if you went to butcher, it'd probably cost you about £8 a steak, wouldn't it? Maybe more, I don't know how much lamb steak could cost you.
Yeah.
So yeah, maybe if you want something cheap, yeah. A bit of salad, cook it to your liking, a bit of rosemary if you like that. We don't. Apart from that, yeah. I mean, you're enjoying it, ain't you, sweetheart? So you're enjoying it, so that's all that matters to me.
It's lovely.
I say, I am the old food guy. And that's all. That's a nice soft bit. I think maybe a couple of bits of gristly. That's soft. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. Till the next time. See you later. Bye bye. What do you mark it out of 10? That's steak.
Just a steak on its own.
Yeah, because it's only salad and chips, isn't it? It's got a nice flavour. A nice saltiness on that.
If you just want me to mark the steak, then I'd make probably a 7.
7, yeah.
7.5.
I'd probably go 6.
7.5.
Yeah, I'd probably go 6. Anyway, there we go. See you later. Bye bye. She can't get enough. No, she can't.
That's delicious.
And that really enjoyed it, didn't you, Bab?
I really enjoyed that tonight. It was really nice, thank you.
You really enjoyed it. And I never.
Didn't you? Didn't like that?
No. I liked it, but I didn't like the chewiness of the meat. So, anyway. I've got no teeth to chew anyway, have I? So it's like gummies in it for me. Anyway, there we go. See you later. Get it in, Bab. I could have poured all that over your dinner, couldn't I? I didn't think. I didn't think at the time.
Thank you.